I saw this super easy crock pot recipe that I am going to do. I'm not showing my face because I look like dog shit. Spray your crock pot. Add you in some chicken and a full bottle of the Parmesan garlic sauce. Fill up this bottle with some heavy whipping cream. I'm not sure why mine is chunky, but we're just going to roll with it. Shake that on up and pour that in there. And a block of cream cheese cubed. And about a cup of Parmesan cheese. Put it on low for about 5 to 6 hours. My chicken breasts are small, so it shouldn't take too long. All right, I've removed the chicken from the crock pot. Now I'm gonna shred it. That literally took 3 seconds. Put that back in the crock pot. Go ahead and add 1 pound of pasta. Mix that up really good. Oh my God, y'all, that looks delicious. Going to sprinkle some grated Parmesan on top, and then we're gonna serve it. I burnt the shit out of my hand on some boiling ass water with this pasta. But we're gonna do a taste test. This was probably the most easiest pasta I've ever made in my life, and it's so good. Knew what I was.